And one of the hot spots right now, 61 gorgeous and sunny degrees in the Fergus Falls area. Light winds from the south-southeast, and it's a beautiful Monday here in the FM area. We see quite a bit of sunshine. There are some high clouds passing overhead. It's 58 degrees right now. Beautiful weather. Wind from the north-northeast is quite light. Moorhead, by the way, 57, the current temperature there. And we're dry with dew points down to the 20s. 52 in the Grand Forks area right now, and a 9-mile-per-hour east-northeast wind. We can see by the greens and yellows here, the warmest of the air is down to the south. These yellows indicate temperatures in the low 60s, while we have upper 40s and low 50s elsewhere. Bemidji, 48. 46 in Langdon, and it's about 10 degrees warmer westbound on Interstate 94. Mid-50s for Jamestown and for Valley City. A few high clouds drifting overhead, but there's more cloudiness just off to the west with some rain showers in the eastern plains of Montana right now. And as we take a gander down to the southwestern United States, we can see the swirling storm system building there. And it's this weather hiccup that will be heading our way as we go through the next 48 hours, and that will bring changes. So the moral of the story is going to be get out and enjoy the weather while you can. If you have evening plans, temperatures will stay in the 40s and 50s at most locations for the next 3 hours or so, then drop about 10 degrees or so. Wind remains from an easterly direction at around 10 miles per hour. Heading to bed, not much changes. Mostly clear skies other than a few high clouds. Mild start your day temperatures. I do think we'll see a few upper 20s near Lake of the Woods, but elsewhere, very mild conditions. A little bit more of a southerly component to the wind tomorrow, and it looks for the most part to be around 10 to 15 miles per hour. As we go through the midday hours, we'll be enjoying 40s in the south, 30s up north, and there could be a few showers out in the western Dakotas. But by the evening hours, that storm system begins unleashing some of its energy here in the northern plains. Our model painting a picture of some heavy showers of rain pushing in along the North Dakota-South Dakota border. The best chance of that will be late day in the south. It should be dry for most of our northern counties. Look at these afternoon temperatures peaking near 60 degrees north and in the mid to upper 50s for most in the north. And as we take a look at the evening planner, it does look like we'll have that increasing chance of rain pressing in on the FM area, Valley City, Jamestown, all the way through the I-94 corridor. While it remains dry up north, you could expect temperatures to stay fairly mild for your Tuesday evening. This rain will continue to track through and into the day on Wednesday, ending by the midday hours. We're expecting anywhere from a quarter to a half of an inch of rain. Some isolated locations along those showers, well, you could see over a half of an inch of rain, and there is the possibility late on your Tuesday night that we hear a rumble of thunder. Behind this system comes some much colder air for the remainder of our forecast period. Starting our day tomorrow in Fargo-Moorhead, near 35 degrees. Will warm up into the low 60s, 59 Wahpeton, 61 for the Sisseton area and Jamestown. A little cooler in Langdon and cooler as well in Lake of the Woods country, but lakes areas will still enjoy temperatures in the upper 50s to low 60s again in Fergus Falls. So get out and enjoy the weather because we have windy change, northwest winds and morning rain on the Wednesday calendar. Looks like temperatures will peak in the south in the 40s. We'll be in the upper 30s up north. A brisk change to our weather pattern. In the southern counties, Thursday and Friday, more of the same, more clouds than rain, but it does look like we'll have spits here and there. Saturday and Sunday, another slosh of cold air moves into Minnesota, while the western Dakotas will enjoy temperatures that will be mild. And then it looks like we will start to moderate our temperatures for Monday of next week. All in all, we can't lose our hope that spring will take hold and become more prolonged. But boy, the last couple of days have been quite pleasant.
They have, yeah. And we still seem to be on this, roller coaster, 60s and then 40s again.
Yeah, that keeps me busy.
I bet it does.
Yes,
yeah.
it does.
Thanks, Hutch. Facebook issue.